In today's video, I want to teach you how to turn this into this. Welcome back to today's vlog. I'm actually here at the restaurant. We are doing an unboxing for Kastra Elion. It is a Greek olive vodka. One of a kind, never been done before. I love how this company is pushing the limits on what is possible and driving innovation. They actually sent me the very first bottle in Texas to taste and see if we like it. Hopefully we'll be getting a few cases in from our distributor and selling it retail because of new laws, because of Corona, at our restaurant. We just got done wrapping up the unboxing, which took way too long. 10 o'clock rolled around and the staff was coming in and they kicked me out of my own restaurant. They said, get out of here with your stupid videos. We gotta work and make money. So we didn't actually get to finish the martini, so I'm gonna take that back to my home studio. But first we need to grab some brisket for a Texas Greek collaboration dish that I do with Carrie Hodson with Intrinsic Smokehouse and Brewing Company. The smoked brisket pasticcio. Link right there if you want to see how we make that. It is delicioso. Let me grab 5 shots of espresso on ice. Is that what you recommend? For the vlog. The espresso, it's always for you guys. I always drink it for you. What are you doing right now?
Payroll.
Payroll, me too. I got to payroll today too.
Yeah.
Before 4 o'clock. Then much, I'm grabbing some brisket.
Nice.
Is Carrie here?
No, he's at home right now.
Really?
Yeah, they're installing a new Venta hood in our kitchen.
What's up, Josh? What's up, man?
There we go.
I was just telling everybody about how you guys have the best barbecue in Texas over here.
Oh yeah? Yeah, bold statement, but I appreciate it.
This is the guy who makes it right here. Thank you, Molly.
Roger.
I got the smoked brisket here.
Okay.
Does that work? Got my jigger, and I forgot my dry vermouth. Hi, Morgan.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Hello.
Hi.
One more special ingredient that I need for today. The mastija. We're gonna finish up this cocktail video here at my dad's house. It'll be my first time ever using the home bar to film a video at. Excellent. So here is a little cocktail bar that my dad has that he's actually, I don't think, ever used before. We are going to finally make some good use of it today. Turn this into a delicious cocktail studio. Hey guys, my name is Kostas, and this is what my cocktail kitchen looks like without a nice softbox. Here's my view of the living room. I have this natural light coming in over here. So I'm gonna offset that natural light with some type of light kind of right here facing us on this side. Setting up the lights, I pretty much want the lights to be at a 45-degree angle, kind of up, hitting my face. That's pretty much the look that I'm always going for. Guys, my name is Kostas, and this is what my kitchen looks like with a nice softbox. All right, guys, so this is with the softbox with what we're gonna call our key light turned on. This is what our bar is gonna look like. When it comes to your softbox, you're gonna wanna get it as close to the subject as possible without it being in the frame. For my main camera, I have this Manfrotto tripod. Just a good quality tripod that is not gonna be flimsy and it's gonna hold the camera upright for you. When it comes to positioning your key camera, your main camera for your main angle, you are gonna wanna have it at eye level. So just make sure that you film yourself at eye level. Nothing too extreme, nothing too high, nothing too low. So my 4K camera does not have a flip out screen, so I cannot monitor what it looks like from the bar. So what I can do is, I have this external monitor here that I have actually screwed onto a Gorilla Pod that acts as like a table base. Then I plug in this HDMI to HDMI mini from the screen to the 5D Mark IV, which is my 4K camera, and that will transmit the screen image to this monitor right here, so that way I can make sure everything is looking fantastic. Okay, the next light we're gonna install is this guy right here. This is gonna be called, it is an LED panel that we're going to attach to this light stand here. These are called diffusion panels. Basically, they're gonna go in front of the light source with these screws, and when the light hits these panels, it's gonna disperse the light nice, soft, and evenly across your skin. Okay, now we have our key light, then we also have our fill light. So you should see this side of my face being the priority, and then this side of my face right here with the fill light, just kind of bringing up the shadows on that side. And I think I'm happy with this setup here. I did add one more additional LED panel behind me just to add a little bit of pizzazz to the background. That's definitely an optional light, but it does make your background pop. And that's how you transform any mundane bar with a few lights into a magnificent set for your cocktail videos. The camera here that I'm shooting on was attached over there that had the wire running to this Atomos Ninja 5 monitor. The camera that I mainly vlog on is actually right over there, and I put it there as a B cam. It's probably staring at my little hands right now. That's one thing that you're gonna do to really up your cocktail game, is being able to shoot at two different camera angles with two different focal lengths. One that's tight, that can really show the product, and then one wide that can show you off as well. Okay, the last and sometimes the most overlooked part of a cocktail setup, cocktail studio setup like this, is going to be audio and communicating with your guests. I love to use the Deity Connect. It is a wireless lavalier system. The way it works is the transmitter attaches to the horseshoe mount on top of the camera with some nice looking antennas. It comes with a set of lavaliers. Your lavalier will actually send a signal to this wherever you are. You will attach a microphone to this lavalier. And the way audio works in general is the closer that the microphone is to your mouth, the better the audio sounds. So normally I always wear like a little kitchen apron, and it just attaches right to my kitchen apron, and I can hide it pretty well. But right inside your t-shirt here, and you can always go underneath your t-shirt. So I highly recommend this. When I did purchase this, it was a game changer for me. It's one of those products that I have zero regrets buying. And once you hit record on your camera, it's gonna automatically send your audio signal straight inside your camera. So your audio and your video is already synced. And it just makes for fabulous, fabulous audio. That way you can do a thorough job communicating with your audience. And guys, this is what your bar should look like once you have your key light, your fill light, a little ambient light set up, your bar cleaned off, your audio in check with a nice lavalier mic. And last thing there is to do is make some delicious cocktails for yourself and your guest. My name is Kostas Lazanas. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it's your first time here to my channel, I make videos like this. I'm also the owner and head chef of Opa Greek Tavern. It's a local Greek restaurant here in Dallas, Fort Worth area. I'm currently daily vlogging. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it has been an adventure. I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. I love interacting with every single one of you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.